After the installation of the battery backup system, the power went out again, and the sump pump was still able to resume power, preventing his basement from flooding for a second time. A brief overview of the home battery backup system includes the panel and the number of batteries that the homeowner wishes to have. Some accessories could include solar to harness power, as well as additional batteries or additional panels and inverters for larger setups or for longer periods of downtime. I find that customers enjoy the fact that the battery backup systems can be installed inside and do not incorporate gas utilities in the installation. The installation process of the battery backup system includes running a new circuit from the main panel to the sub-panel, as well as relocating the circuits to be backed up to the sub-panel. A typical installation from start to finish takes less than a day for us usually. It's always recommended to have a licensed electrician do the installation for home battery backup systems because you're working directly with live electrical components. In the event of a power outage, these systems can transfer power almost instantaneously. The typical power capacity of battery backup systems can vary from system to system, and some systems can be expanded upon. To get started on your home battery backup installation, you can call us or visit us online at davidwilliamselectric.com.